B-I-G-Z, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me, I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flashy, don't try price taggy. New set of gears, designer me a rocket. Money no up in a pocket.
Oh, Jamaican. Like seriously? Wait, the bicycle never no stand.
No. It won't. Think I'll be covered for money.
So what you doing?
Think I'll be covered.
What you cooking? Seriously, no, they must something normal. When me talk about skill, me talk about this a man when he John. Like seriously. Seriously? Let me open your pot. Mighty God of Daniel. So, how I go on here, sir? The bicycle never no stand no. What is the name, sir?
John.
John, from where?
Only man from Milk River.
Milk River, mighty God. This is skill, skill, skill. Yugi. Look, the bicycle. No, this.
You can't give away your picnic for your hungry for work, my no man, and pick me a bumbo clot like them, you feel dead. Me no wrong enough and sit down in a them blood clot face, you know. Me see I doing wrong woman from put them hearthole in a them blood clot face. Fucking fool. I am sit down pan the valley, you know.
You know what, sir?
Without the man that saw the seed, no picnic bar and bumbo clot.
No picnic bar.
And the man fi draw back and refuse from sow the blood clot seeds, so no want money. How am I get money? The generation done to pussy clot. They want the picnic them to be lawyer, doctor, minister, judge, teacher, this, that, and we not get no money. You feel about stinking blood clot shit. I rob you want to rob me. My wealth and my value without with the world hang. And the blood clot man fi pack stone and get you around and yard back for stone you man with him pussy. Where you go? Where the bumbo clot you go? And when we done fuck your hand up get something free? Free your pussy clot. 10,000 for your little girl. And 40 for your little boys. None now born a bumbo clot. So if you take up the picnic give it free and have it for work my no man and picnic. Who no feel was stinking blood clot shit. Only picnic then get blood clot big. Me want help and can't get them out there in a system. Then the system and get them benefit to blood clot and they never help me to grow them. Right?
Fuck.
And me alone go through blood, sweat and tears for them get big. And when they get big, me need them attention and them no available. Out there in a system then they get them blood clot attention.
Fuck.
Who no pussy clot fool.
Fuck. Tell them again.
But I'm not asking. Who no let me down, man.
Fuck.
Go to no name, man. Man, you bumbo clot. Me come and overcome, no. Like a them rule, I wanna hear hello, I, psst, that means you're somebody, we are not nobody. If you was thinking shit, if I'm all the man, if finger and pussy telling dead, you not beg fuck me, not begging. A blood clot. Make we see what we can hold out longer, you stinker. You fucking bad mind bitch. Make you look like you not get no comfort, you not get no pleasure out of fuck. Yes. And me alone want to fuck and like a favor you grant me. You want to kill your blood clot, you think of your pussy. Eh? God give you my things to keep for me. I'm ready for me things. What you want me to beg for? Me I demand that bumbo clot unless me no want it, you know. Kind of fear. God give you to keep for me and my blood clot one. I'm ready for me things and don't give me no trouble, you know. Like you want me to satisfy your needs and your demands and all them pussy clot before you give me things. That's what you do. How you do and I broke my arm, bro? You believe me, you know the joke with my arm, bro? Somebody dead for blood clot and me I go to prison. Watch. But I beg your pussy. Unless your pussy sick to blood clot, you will get away now. But when you not sick, don't give me no trouble, you know. Because I want me things. And just surrender and give me blood clot things, you know, because you know it's my one, you know.
Simple.
I don't want bumbo clot give to me like you want me obligate to you and beg you. You want me cut your blood clot throat, how you do?
Same way it go. Same way it go.
Go to no beg pussy what you demand for. I me kill out your pussy clot. You think me can back fist and go fuck animal and fuck batty when I go? And you say want me pussy and you fuck your bumbo clot go tell about you hungry. Hungry your bumbo clot, me can't eat for you. Eh? When you hungry you don't know if you go find something yam. What you tell me about your hungry for? When me hungry, me know if you go find something yam. When your face the blood clot, you frat on the cocky. When me done broke, you go find something yam. Don't give me no trouble.
No trouble.
What me busy with you and you hungry? How you hungry and now go find something blood clot yam? What you tell me about your hungry for? Me can't eat for you. You see food on my blood clot head top. I'm a murder on no bumbo clot, you know. What you mean, man? If the animal ain't no joke in that species of blood clot animal ain't no joke when they want fuck. Death, you know. Out here buy woman this and street him and buy in need and in demands and all these things. You want to kill you? Your thief in wicked bad mind bitch when you go to the government. Go to my Jamaica house, go block the road. To him and them with a money machine, you see, say me and dying to blood clot. Any money me about tile me have a tile, and you want to help me done it. And say me and your friend, what a rascal enemy man. You don't know when I feel to get money. No energy and labor me have to last. And you want to help me done it quick that me fit go last energy and labor again. Me cut your blood clot short enough. You hear me say go hunt for you. Because we are a prisoner. Woman prisoner, man prisoner. What the blood clot all in for me for? What you give me fuck? Give your blood clot. Fucking is a must. Go now. What you give me fuck? What you give me no fuck? No fuck with fuck. You don't have to fuck and me have to fuck. How you make it look like you don't want to fuck? Me murder your teeth in bumper hole. No much woman when he want fuck and he pick me them that yard and give him trouble to blood clot and man come for fucking pussy. Every time that you stand up in a head and cuss hungry that bad word.